Pork Chop's Kitchen, where I'm going to show you how to make a bowl of cereal. Now, to make a bowl of cereal, you're going to need your basic items: cereal, milk, a bowl, and a spoon. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to get the bowl. And as soon as you get the bowl, you're going to want to pour the cereal straight into the bowl. Now, you can either do milk first or cereal first. It doesn't really matter, I promise. The next step is very simple. All you have to do is add a little bit of what I like to call moo juice. It's called milk. And then the next step, of course, is to insert the spoon. You can actually insert bananas in your cereal to make it a little gourmet, as some like to call it. And the main reason why you make a bowl of cereal, people, is to either you enjoy it or get somebody else to enjoy it. I'm not going to eat it personally, so I'm going to need somebody else to come on down and eat it. Sir, come on down. What's your name? It doesn't matter. Go ahead, sir. Take a taste of that bowl of cereal. Just a taste. Just a taste.
All right.
Pretty good, ain't it? And of course, the stage before the last stage is you have to clean up yourself. And the last step, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is to enjoy. Now, I'm gonna need that back.
No.
I'm gonna need that back.
No.